Welcome to Health After 60, where we unlock the essential secrets to vitality, strength, and better circulation for your golden years. Do you often suffer from cold feet, numbness, or painful cramping that makes walking difficult and increases your risk of falling? These are not just normal signs of aging, but urgent warnings that your body is running low on a vital molecule. When circulation slows down, your extremities are the first to suffer, leading to discomfort that limits your freedom and daily mobility. The secret lies in a molecule called nitric oxide, a natural vasodilator that relaxes your arteries and keeps blood flowing smoothly. Unfortunately, by the time we reach the age of 60, our ability to produce this miracle molecule drops by over 50%. Today, we reveal the top 10 drinks ranked by medical experts to restore your circulation and bring warmth back to your limbs. We will count down from the least effective to the absolute most powerful drink that can transform your cardiovascular health completely. To understand the cure, you must know that the inner lining of your blood vessels, the endothelium, needs specific fuel. Without this fuel, arteries become stiff like old pipes, forcing your heart to work harder to pump blood to your toes. Let us begin our countdown at number 10 with the most fundamental liquid on Earth. Plain, simple, and clean drinking water. Water is essential for blood volume, as dehydration makes your blood thick and viscous, making circulation much harder for your heart. However, while water maintains basic function, it lacks the active compounds needed to signal your arteries to open and relax. It is a necessary baseline, but on its own, water cannot actively boost your nitric oxide levels or repair damaged blood vessels. Moving to number 9, we have green tea, a beverage famous for its antioxidants and long history in traditional Eastern medicine. Green tea contains a powerful compound called EGCG, which protects the lining of your blood vessels from oxidative stress and damage. While beneficial, the effect on blood flow is quite slow, requiring you to drink it consistently for 8 to 12 weeks. It is a healthy habit for long-term maintenance, but if you need rapid relief for cold feet, it is not the fastest solution. At number 8 is tart cherry juice, known for reducing inflammation and helping with arterial stiffness in older adults. Studies show it can lower systolic blood pressure, which helps reduce the strain on your heart and improves overall peripheral circulation. However, the major drawback is the high sugar content found in many commercial brands, which can be counterproductive for your health. If you choose this option, you must be extremely careful to select unsweetened varieties to avoid spiking your blood glucose levels. Coming in at number 7 is pomegranate juice, a powerful antioxidant drink that supports the stability of nitric oxide in your body. It does not produce new nitric oxide directly, but it prevents the nitric oxide you already have from breaking down too quickly. This protective effect helps sustain better blood flow throughout the day, making it a valuable addition to your heart-healthy diet. The downside is that pure pomegranate juice can be quite expensive, and, like cherry juice, often contains significant amounts of natural sugar. Number 6 brings us a delicious surprise: cocoa. We are talking about dark, unsweetened cocoa powder, not the sugary milk chocolate bars. Cocoa is rich in flavanols, compounds that stimulate the endothelium to produce nitric oxide, helping arteries dilate significantly within hours. Studies demonstrate that consuming high flavanol cocoa can improve blood vessel function and circulation in your legs in just under 2 hours. For the best results, mix pure cocoa powder with warm water or plant-based milk, avoiding dairy, which may block nutrient absorption. Halfway through our list at number 5 is watermelon juice, a refreshing summer favorite that holds a powerful secret for circulation. Watermelon is the richest natural source of L-citrulline, an amino acid that your kidneys convert directly into arginine and nitric oxide. This process effectively boosts the nitric oxide levels in your system, helping to relax blood vessels and lower high blood pressure. It is particularly effective for reducing muscle soreness and improving recovery time after you engage in physical activities or daily walks. Number 4 is a tart and tangy powerhouse: hibiscus tea. This beautiful red flower is clinically proven to combat hypertension effectively. Research indicates that regular consumption can improve blood flow by up to 31%, rivaling the effects of some medications. It works by acting as a natural ACE inhibitor, relaxing your blood vessels and allowing blood to reach your cold extremities. Best of all, it is incredibly affordable, easy to prepare, and takes effect relatively quickly compared to other herbal remedies. Entering the top 3, we have celery juice. Often overlooked, this vegetable is a potent source of natural nitrates. Unlike the synthetic nitrates found in processed meats, the nitrates in celery are converted by your body into pure nitric oxide. Drinking fresh celery juice on an empty stomach maximizes absorption, delivering a quick boost to your circulation system within hours. It also contains phthalates, which relax the muscles around your arteries, further helping to lower blood pressure and improve flow. The runner-up at number 2 is arugula smoothie. Among all vegetables, arugula has the highest concentration of nitrates by weight. This peppery green leaf is a nitrate bomb, providing your body with massive amounts of raw material to generate nitric oxide. Since the taste can be strong, blending it into a smoothie with some apple or lemon makes it palatable and powerful. Regular consumption of arugula can drastically reduce arterial stiffness, making your blood vessels flexible and youthful once again. And now, the undisputed king of circulation drinks at number 1 is beetroot juice. Nothing else compares to its potency. Beetroot juice is the gold standard in medical studies for boosting nitric oxide, used even by Olympic athletes for performance. Clinical trials reveal that drinking it daily can increase blood flow to the legs by up to 45% in 2 weeks. This massive improvement can mean the difference between sitting in pain and enjoying a long, active walk with your loved ones. To get these results, you should drink about half a cup of fresh beet juice daily, ideally mixed with other veggies. But wait, there's one critical mistake that can destroy all the benefits of these drinks, and you must avoid it. The conversion of nitrates into nitric oxide actually begins in your mouth, thanks to the friendly bacteria living on your tongue. If you use strong antibacterial mouthwash immediately after drinking these juices, you kill the bacteria needed for this vital chemical reaction. Therefore, avoid mouthwash for at least an hour after your drink to ensure your body absorbs the full circulatory benefits. For maximum absorption, consume your chosen nitric oxide booster in the morning on an empty stomach about 30 minutes before breakfast. Start with celery, arugula, or the king beetroot, and witness how your body responds with warmth and renewed energy. Imagine a life where cold feet and numbness are things of the past, replaced by the freedom to move without pain. Nature has provided us with powerful tools to heal our arteries. It is up to us to use them consistently. Incorporating these drinks is a simple, delicious, and scientifically proven way to reclaim your health after the age of 60. Commit to a 2-week challenge with beetroot or arugula juice and track your progress to see the miraculous difference yourself. Your circulation determines your energy and your lifespan, so treat your blood vessels with the care and nutrition they deserve. If you found this ranking helpful, please like this video and share it with friends who might be struggling with circulation. Thank you for watching Health After 60. Stay hydrated, stay active, and keep your blood flowing strong. See you next time. Don't forget to check out our other videos for more tips on living your healthiest life in your senior years. Remember to wash your root vegetables thoroughly to remove any soil, but keep the skin on as it contains many nutrients. Do not be alarmed if your urine turns a pinkish color after drinking beet juice. This is harmless and completely normal. Combining these drinks with gentle stretching or yoga can amplify the effects, pushing blood into the deepest capillaries of your body. Besides circulation, beetroot juice also supports your liver function, helping your body detoxify more efficiently as you age. Many of our viewers report a significant drop in blood pressure numbers after just a few weeks of this natural regimen. Pairing your nitrate-rich juice with a small handful of nuts can provide healthy fats that aid in overall nutrient absorption. The goal is not just to live longer, but to live better, with the physical capacity to enjoy your favorite hobbies. Always consult with your own doctor before making drastic diet changes, especially if you are on blood-thinning medication. If the earthy taste of beets is too strong, adding a slice of ginger can improve the flavor and digestion. Whenever possible, choose organic produce to avoid pesticides, which can negatively impact the beneficial bacteria in your microbiome. Improved circulation also helps regulate body temperature at night, leading to deeper, more restorative sleep without cold feet waking you up. Let us not forget that what is good for the heart is good for the brain, potentially sharpening your memory and focus. Join a community of health-conscious peers, as social interaction combined with good nutrition is the key to longevity. You can also mix carrots with your beets. They are rich in beta-carotene, which further supports your arterial lining health. Sip your juice slowly and swirl it in your mouth to maximize the contact time with the bacteria on your tongue. Better blood flow also means more oxygen to your skin cells, giving you a healthy, rosy glow that defies your age. Ingredients like celery also act as natural diuretics, helping to reduce swelling and fluid retention in your ankles and feet. Make this juice a non-negotiable part of your morning ritual, just like brushing your teeth or taking a shower. By reducing the resistance in your blood vessels, you are directly lightening the workload for your heart every single day. You might notice that climbing stairs or carrying groceries becomes easier as your muscles receive more oxygen-rich blood. While we focused on drinks, adding garlic and cayenne pepper to your meals can further amplify these circulatory benefits. Physical health is a foundation of happiness. When your body feels good, your spirit naturally feels lighter and more joyful. If you cannot find arugula, spinach is a worthy substitute, though you may need a slightly larger quantity for the same effect. Share your favorite juice recipes in the comments below so we can all learn from each other's experiences and tastes. From water to beetroot, you now have a complete arsenal of liquid tools to fight aging and poor circulation. Growing your own beets or greens is also a wonderful way to ensure freshness and get some physical activity. Let nature be your pharmacy. The solutions to many of our modern ailments can be found right in the garden. Hibiscus tea can also be enjoyed cold on a hot day. It is refreshing and keeps your blood pressure in check. Visualize your arteries becoming cleaner, smoother, and more flexible with every healthy sip you take. Combine your nutrition with grounding, walking barefoot on grass to potentially further reduce inflammation and improve blood flow. Green apples are the perfect companion for vegetable juices, adding sweetness without the massive sugar spike of other fruits. Many of these drinks are low in calories but high in nutrients, supporting healthy weight loss alongside circulation benefits. Starting your day with warm lemon water before your nitrate juice can also help alkalize your body and aid digestion. Knowledge is power. The more you understand how your body works, the better you can care for it. Blueberries and strawberries are also excellent for your veins, so feel free to rotate them into your diet occasionally. Regular checkups are essential to monitor how these dietary changes are positively affecting your blood markers and pressure. Treat your daily juice like a special cocktail for your health. Presentation matters and makes the habit more enjoyable. Deep breathing exercises work in tandem with nitric oxide to deliver oxygen efficiently to every cell in your body. Keep your walking shoes ready. With improved circulation, you will find yourself wanting to move more often. And remember, even though water was number 10, staying hydrated throughout the day is crucial for the other drinks to work. Golden beets are a fantastic alternative if you want the same nitrate benefits but prefer a milder, sweeter flavor. Cleaning the juicer might be a chore, but consider it a small price to pay for the immense health rewards. Beets are not just about nitrates. They are also packed with folate, manganese, and potassium, essential for elderly health. Spreading the word about health is an act of kindness. Help your community stay strong by sharing this knowledge. A squeeze of lemon in your celery juice not only improves the taste, but also helps preserve the potent nutrients. Reclaiming your health starts with a decision. Decide today that you deserve to feel warm, active, and alive. Warm hands and warm feet are signs of a body that is functioning well, capable of connecting and touching others. Create a simple schedule and stick it to your fridge. Consistency is the magic key to unlocking these benefits. On busy days, high-quality beetroot powder can be a convenient backup, though fresh juice is always a superior choice. Don't let travel stop your routine. Bring your healthy habits with you wherever you go to maintain your vitality. Every sip contributes to better oxygen delivery, fueling your muscles and organs to perform at their absolute best. Listen to your body. Rest when you need to, and fuel it when it asks for nourishment. Experiment with natural herbs like mint or basil to keep your drinks exciting and flavorful without adding sugar. Good circulation improves balance and coordination, reducing the risk of falls and allowing you to dance through life. Invest in a good blender or juicer. It is an investment in your health that pays dividends every single day. Plan your grocery trips ahead of time so you never run out of your essential heart-healthy ingredients. For a summer treat, blend frozen watermelon chunks for a slushie that cools you down and heats up your circulation. Your oral health is connected to your heart health. Brush gently and respect the microbiome that protects your arteries. Kale and Swiss chard are also excellent nitrate sources if you want to mix up your green smoothie routine. A warm bath followed by a hydration drink can further assist in dilating blood vessels and relaxing stiff muscles. On cold winter days, that cup of unsweetened cocoa is not just a treat. It is a shield against the cold. We rely on viewers like you to help us spread this vital information to the senior community worldwide. Love your heart, and it will love you back, beating strong and steady for many more years to come. Breathe in deeply, drink your greens, and step out into the world with confidence and renewed physical strength. Think of these juices not as medicine, but as elixirs of life that nourish your body from the inside out. Stay sharp, stay focused. Good circulation ensures your brain gets the nutrients it needs to maintain cognitive function. Baby beets are often more tender and sweeter, making them a great starting point if you are new to the flavor. Whether it is a walk in the park or a stroll on the beach, keep moving to help your blood flow. If plain water bores you, add cucumber slices. It adds flavor and a tiny bit of extra hydration benefits. Reducing stress is also vital for circulation. Pets, hobbies, and healthy drinks form a circle of wellness. Aim for those green numbers on your blood pressure monitor. It is the ultimate sign that your strategies are working. Get your whole family involved. These drinks are healthy for adults of all ages, not just those over 60. Let the morning sun and your green juice be the wake-up call your body craves every single day. Build a relationship with your local farmers. Fresh, locally sourced produce often has higher nutrient content than shipped goods. A small touch of honey can balance the tartness of hibiscus tea without spiking your sugar levels too drastically. Good sleep hygiene complements your diet. Turn off screens early and let your body repair itself during the night. Massaging your feet with warm oil before bed can also stimulate blood flow and help you sleep more comfortably. Be patient with your body. Healing takes time, but with consistency, the results will surely come to you. The famous ABC juice, apple, beet, and carrot, is a classic combination that tastes great and works wonders for health. Write these recipes down. Keep them handy so you never have to guess what to prepare for your health. Aim high. Your age is just a number, and with the right fuel, you can conquer mountains of your own. Take a moment to enjoy the aroma. The sensory experience is part of the relaxation that helps lower blood pressure. We end where we began. Never underestimate the power of hydration. It is the river that carries all nutrients. We are rooting for your health journey every step of the way. You have the power to change your life. Thank you for being part of our community. Subscribe for more life-saving tips. This is Health After 60, signing off.